Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video we're doing a platform swap. So this is the Lian V100R. If you've probably seen the video that we've done already on the build on this, this is currently rocking a AMD B870 motherboard and also a Ryzen 9 7900X. And I think I need to swap it out for video editing purposes and also just to try out what the platform is like. I've actually got a new platform here. So this is the ASUS Z890 Tough Gaming Wi-Fi, and also we've got an Intel Core 7 265K, which hopefully is going to be better for me for Adobe Premiere Pro, which is essentially what this PC is mostly used for. Other than that, some researching, using the internet, and also the occasional game. So we're not really gaming focused on here. So I think this is going to be the perfect platform due to a couple of reasons. This CPU should run significantly cooler than the 7900X, and also it should be more efficient whilst idling, which, to be honest with you, generally it does that most of the time, other than when it's doing, obviously, rendering projects or playing games, which is quite rare these days anyway. So I think this is going to be a more efficient platform. And again, it's always nice to see the differences between Intel and AMD. If you look at benchmarks, they quite often say, obviously, go AMD because gaming, but not all of us do gaming, and not all of us want to use AMD, so this is where we're at. So in today's video, I'm going to strip this down, take it apart, put this in, show you the installation, go through the kind of whole process in the form of somewhat of a montage, and potentially we'll do some benchmarks at the end. I'm not too sure if I'm going to do that because it's hard to actually benchmark video editing, especially things like the smoothness on the timeline. So we'll see how that goes, but hopefully you'll enjoy the rebuild as we go through the process. So with that said, let's get on with it. So there we go, the build is done. Hopefully you've enjoyed the montage and possibly some of the dubious music that I've selected to go along with it. This is actually quite a difficult build at times, especially with the radiator in the top. There are those little parts of it where you just really struggle to get to the connectors at the top. I really wish that Lian, when they did this case, made it just about an inch taller. That would have been perfect. You'd get a lot easier access to those connections at the top. But otherwise, I think it's a fantastic case. It looks really nice. And of course, we're now rocking our Intel Core Ultra 7 265K on our Z890 motherboard. And I've got to say, I'm pretty pleased with it. Although it does kind of look very similar. The other board was an ASUS board anyway. So yeah, it's kind of like a like for like. A lot of the connections were actually in the same places. So that was really good as well. But ultimately, I think this case, if you are looking at getting the V100, definitely worth checking out. Especially the black version, because the black version hides lots of kind of incriminating cables here, there and everywhere. Not so easy with the white version, unfortunately. But yeah, overall, I think for the money and for the looks and for the cooling performance, it does really well. I've just done a very quick Cinebench run on this, and we're getting around about 35,000 points, which is excellent. And we didn't get over around about 77 degrees Celsius, I think it was clocked in at. And the idle temps are around about the 30s, so that is roughly about 20 degrees cooler than the Ryzen 9 7900X that was in here. That thing, it's like a little furnace, unfortunately, but yeah, I'm very happy with this. Hopefully it's going to idle a little bit better as well, use less power, and for video editing tasks, it's going to be, well, hopefully a lot better. No doubt, if you follow us or if you're in our live streams, I will update you as I see fit. Well, I think that's going to pretty much wrap this one up. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. If you have, smash that like button. If you want to see more content like this on a daily basis, maybe consider hitting subscribe and also the chime notification. That way you'll be notified of future video releases. But for now, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. Hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.